Out the junkyard today getting like 3/4 of a wire harness for a C10. This is an 84, I think. I can't really see it. It's 84 backwards for me, so maybe it's whatever. Anyway, it starts raining. It's temperature started dropping. I'm out here. It ain't coming down hard, but I'm trying to wait it out a little bit. It was misting earlier like a damn hurricane. Then it warmed up. Sun poked his head out, and now it's raining again. I don't know if you can see out there. See any clouds out that way. You see way over there where you can't see? Yeah, that's where I need to get. I ain't gonna walk in this water. You're crazy. Anyway, almost got it out. I just need to hop under the hood and disconnect the fuel tank switch. After that, I'm gone. Go drink some coffee and warm up. Alright. Got what I needed. And I'm getting rained on like a mug. I don't know. Check this cloud cover back there. Nuts. That's crazy, right? Because I don't give a sandwich. I don't give a sandwich right now. Kids watching.